how you call?
Softwood.
Softwood.
And so we start the journey to Newfoundland. Might have found a spot for the night. It's a picnic area by a lake. It's worth checking out. Let's go see what we got. Okay, we're at the first stop in just outside of a town called Gananoque, Ontario. It's just east of Kingston. It's just a little open area by the lake. It's perfect. Bit noisy with the road, but that'll settle down later on. Gananoque is where all the tours are for what's called the 1,000 Islands. I don't know if there's 1,000 of them. There must be, I guess, if they call it that, but there's tours that go around to all these islands. Alright, check this out. 18 hours, 18 and a half hours, which will take us up through Montreal. Free dump, potable water. I'm not going to turn that down. Never. Not a chance. Hello, sun. Here's a possibility for the night. What do you think? It says parking 4 hours, but I don't know. No, I didn't like it. We're going to go on. We'll find something. Don't worry. Even though we're losing the light. Okay, I like this one better. There's no sign saying no overnight, no parking or whatever. So this works out for me just perfectly. But oh, is it ever cold? So much colder than this morning. So I'm gonna get inside. So here's my plan. Let me know what you think. Drive all the way up here, all the way along the coast, out to the Gulf, past St. Anne-de-Mont, Matane, Amqui. If we can get up into some of the mountains like Mont-Jacques-Cartier, and then we go to the trailhead. And what we can do, since right here at Matane, this is where the trail comes out onto the coast. If I see somebody there, I'd like to do some trail magic. I would love to do some trail magic all along this section here for the hikers. This is the terminus right here in Cap Gaspé. Alright, let's go do this. I want to see the coast. I'm getting all excited. Woo-hoo. I left the inverter on. I want to charge a couple of batteries for the camera. Make sure I got enough. I got to get shots of this. This is going to be epic. Ooh, it's cold today. Wow, really windy, really cold. We had a big rainstorm last night, and we're supposed to get rain today as well, but I think I'm going to spend a day or two out on that coast anyway, so no big deal, no worries. Here, I gotta hold this camera, trying to multitask. Anyways, yeah, I'm excited because it's a trip down memory lane, right? And it's really exciting to just sort of revisit times gone by. It's pretty cool. I remember there being a really nice grocery store in Restigouche. I stopped there when I was through hiking, and if I was going to do trail magic, that would be the place to pick up supplies. I won't do anything hot though. If I do it, I'll see. It's still kind of early in the season. I might not get any hikers, but I'm going to go and ask because my friend will know for sure. She's there. Timmy's here. That's a good thing. Okay, this is getting ridiculous. Wow. Okay, it's so thick you can cut it. Okay, I'm gonna go into a town called Rimouski, something like that. Rimouski. Just gonna stop for lunch there, regroup, figure out what's going on. And there's no views. I mean, the fog is so thick you can cut it with a knife, so hey. But it's just nice to be back in this area.
Turn left onto Boulevard Saint Cher.
Uh-oh. Doesn't look like much when the tide's out, does it? Okay, I might have found a nice spot here. And it's apparently really close to the ocean as well. It's just I don't know about all this construction here. Ooh, I just saw a big pile of firewood. I got the chainsaw. Let's do this. I'm thinking right here on this little patch of grass. I've got my blocks if I need to be leveled. I'm just trying to stay out of everybody's way. That's the point. All right, come on. Let's go check it out. Let's see what's here. I want to see it. I honestly have no idea what this is. Some kind of fishing shack or something. I don't know. It is really cold here. I mean, and this is about the same latitude as Newfoundland. So, whoo, I tell you, if it doesn't get warmer, I won't be hiking for a while. I did bring an extra jacket, but just don't think it's going to be enough, even with the Senshi. I have a 10-degree quilt. That's not bad. And it's a UGQ, which is way better than Enlightened equipment. Yeah, the Bandit is probably my favorite quilt. The Katabatic is great, but it's kind of overkill, you know. It's just too much, too hot, too heavy. Huge amounts of fill. If you ever go to buy a quilt, Katabatic is the best. It's the most expensive, but always get less. So like if you're having to deal with 20 degrees Fahrenheit, get a 30. It'll be warm enough, trust me. I found out the hard way. There's my baby. Honey, I'm home. And where's my dinner? You remember that from Second City? That was the greatest. Thing I got lots of propane. Yeah, I wish I knew what that cabin was. Wish I could read French. I know what privy means, private. High risk or something, maybe. Who knows? Can anybody tell me? Defense de station. Defense station, maybe? I don't know. It's weird. I'm almost scared to go down on it. Looks kind of rickety. Wow.